Oh. Yeah. My boy. Well done. This thing I won't give you is because you be sure boy. I no give you. Na money. Na money.
Mama, I will say to you.
So as this thing dey, make you see am, you put am for your finger like this. At this place.
Nari.
I no give you.
Baba, I will say you have your show boy now. See.
Wetin you look like?
Nari.
So as in dey, take am. Ah. So, as in dey now, lick am 3 times. 3 times. I say ita we for gbogbo 3 times. Ita we for gbogbo.
Èyí tí a wí fún ọgbọ́lọgbọ́ngbọ́. Èyí tí a wí fún ọgbọ́lọgbọ́ngbọ́. Èyí tí a wí fún ọgbọ́lọgbọ́ngbọ́.
Just talk now. So wait, the only problem wey dey there be say as you don collect am now, you comot for this place, no talk to anybody.
Why no talk to anybody?
As you dey go, no talk to anybody at all. If you talk, you don spoil it.
Why not talk to anybody?
As you dey go, just dey go, dey waka, dey go meet your maker. Or wetin you dey call am? Shebi na your house in there.
Me, I not just talk happy.
No talk
To anybody.
to anybody.
Just my maga
Even
alone.
your mama. If you talk to anybody, na that person the thing go work for.
Just my maga alone, Abi.
Your maga alone.
Don't worry.
So go.
So,
And my own.
Baba, you trust me now. If everything not done, I will say to you.
No worry.
Okay, now, thank you.
Don't talk to anybody. Don't talk to anybody. Don't talk to anybody.
Water put for mouth. Open this mouth. Why they do? You don't deaf. You don't. I don't understand you. Now so you dey do. Now so you won't pretend say you don't know me. So you don't know me again, Abi. You don't sabi me again, Abi. I don't pass with typo, so you don't sabi me again. Talk. No they do. Wait, open this your dirty and stinky mouth. Follow me, talk. Talk now. What's it there? Wait.
Oga. Alpha. I'll go check it for us now. Where you go? Go waiting. Anyhow, how far the money? Check it out. I want to do this out. When we see the car come collect today. Waiting. You don't mean how the money we see the car come collect today? I want you to I don't get time. I dey go somewhere. What's the work this guy? Waiting, you don't mean you let me talk. Hey now.
Shut up, Jare. You back here to the place. Waiting. The mama's gonna talk. Okay. Come back later, Jare. The place. Come on, fire, Jare.